Hey everyone, in this video we're learning the absolute basics of Tkinter, how to create your very first window. This is the foundation of every GUI app you'll ever build with Python. We'll walk step by step through creating the window, changing its size, setting a title, and making it look clean and professional. Let's jump straight in. Every Tkinter program begins with an import. We usually shorten it to TK to save typing. This gives us access to all the widgets, windows, buttons, labels, text boxes, and more. Next, we create the main application window. That single line launches the base window object. TK is a class instance that represents the top-level window for your program. You can think of it as the canvas that everything else sits on. No one wants an unnamed window. Let's give it a title. Whatever text you pass in appears at the top bar of your window. That's the title bar you see in most desktop apps. By default, Tkinter chooses the size for you, but we can set it manually. This means 400 pixels wide and 300 pixels tall. You can also position it on the screen. The plus 200 plus 150 part means start 200 pixels from the left and 150 pixels from the top of the screen. If you want to stop users from shrinking or expanding too far, use now your window can't go smaller than 200 by 150 or bigger than 800 by 600. To change the background color, you can use color names like red, green, or hex codes like $303030 for dark themes. Let's add something to see inside the window, a label widget. The pack method tells Tkinter to actually display the widget. If you forget pack, it won't show up. Every GUI app needs something called an event loop, a constant cycle that listens for user actions. In Tkinter, that's done with one line. This line keeps your window running and responsive. Without it, your window will appear and instantly close. It listens for events like clicks, key presses, and window resizing and updates your GUI accordingly. Run this and you'll see a light blue window with a centered greeting label. If you want your window perfectly centered on any screen, you can calculate it like this. Now it'll always open right in the middle, no matter your monitor size. You can close the window by clicking the X button or by calling fruit. You can also use root.quit to exit the main loop without fully destroying the window, but most of the time, destroy is what you want. That's it. You just built a functioning Tkinter window. You learned how to create and title the window, resize and position it, add a label, and keep it running with the main loop. From here, you're ready to add widgets, buttons, inputs, frames, and menus and start building full desktop apps.